What do you love about working on Cooking with Carlina?
I literally love everyone on the set. Like, everyone is an asset to me. Carlina, like, I love her every time I see her. I'm like, oh my god!
I like the food. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's...
Well, I thought the crew, but you know, whatever. But then I tasted your food.
Yeah.
And then, oh my god.
What did I love?
I love you, Sergio.
Was making every dish look even better.
Who is your favorite crew member to work with on the show?
Because of the nickname, Specs.
Ooh, me.
What recipe would you are most excited to see on the show in the future that you would like for me to make?
Filet mignon and some like au gratin potato.
It's a good one.
Skittles, Fruity Pebbles, Starburst, chips, Kool-Aid, Tang, frosting, fruit snacks, popsicles, bell peppers, Jolly Ranchers, M&M's, Trix, Apple Jacks, Fruit Loops, Red Vines, Nerds, Sour Patch Laffy Taffy, Pop Rocks, Candy Cane, and Candy Corn.
There's a couple of Mexican dishes, you know, mole, clayuda, torta ahogada, something like that. I don't know if you have our Mexican fans out there, if you would like to see that. So
For 2017, what was your favorite memory?
When Carlina called me, and I was like eating pot stickers or something on my kitchen table, and she's like, hey, I would love for you to get a crew and come direct my show.
All the chances that everybody has given me in the industry, being new in it, and I'm like beyond thankful, because all you need is that chance, and once you rock that chance, it's sold. It's sold. Like you're locked down. Like they love having you on set, and it's great. And thank you to Carlina, especially for having us here, you know, our whole crew, and Bree for even bringing me. She's right over there, you guys can't see her, but she's right over there. And honestly, I'm really, really thankful for that, because without that chance, like, I wouldn't be here right now.
Honestly, it's finishing college. I made the pizza. Like after we made the episode, the next day I didn't wait for it to be out. I'll still be edited. I like just went back to my footage and I was going through all my shots, and I was going like through the clips, and I was like, okay, what should you do next? And I come back to the next clip. And I was like going through all my clips, and then I made my own pizza myself.
when Bryanna called me out of nowhere, it was like, do you have time? Like, oh my god, something happened. And then, you know, she asked if I wanted to join the crew for Cooking Carlina. I was like, are you serious? And then, pretty happy that I got that call. And I actually answered, because I usually never answer my phone. So I'm glad I answered that call.
And it means a lot because I get to bring my, yes, they're my friends, but at the same time, I don't bring friends to set unless I really trust them. So the people who I bring mean a lot to me, and they've earned my trust, and they're hard workers like myself. So it was awesome to be able to bring them to do this experience with me.
There's only one thing in my mind right now for 2018, and that's the FIFA World Cup.
The special guests, actually.
I'm excited for more food.
I'm excited because I get to bring, you know, new upcoming filmmakers who want to get their foot in the door, and I get to give more opportunities for them, so I know I'm going to be able to bring in more people to train them.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.